Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain operators in Python. I want to provide you the summary of this topic. Number one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators क्या होते हैं? Arithmetic operators में plus, minus, multiplication, division, integral operator, mod operator means remainder operator and exponential operators आते हैं. Divide is used to division returns float. This divide will give you float value. But double equal is float division round down. For example, you're writing 5 divided by 3. It will give you 5. 3 ones are 3. 2. And then 6 threes are 1.6. 3s are 18. 2 means 6. It will give you round about 1.666 so on. Okay. But if you will use 5 double divide symbol, that is integral operator, it will give you 1 only. Okay. And in other case, another example is there. For example, 23 divided by 7, it will give you 3 exact. Okay. Mean it will round down. Percentage give remainder and always satisfied. A equal to B times A divided by B plus A divisible by A remainder B. Okay. This will give you remainder value. For example, 5 divided by 3. Ones are 5. 3. Remaining is 2. It will give you 2. Okay. Precedence mean hierarchy. How to solve? First of all, we used to solve parenthesis, after parenthesis exponential, after exponential plus asterisk, divide or integral. They have the same hierarchy, but we will move from left to right. Who will come first? We will solve that one. Plus, minus, and we can use also augmented form like plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, double integral operator equal, percentage equal, and so on. These are the examples they have given. Okay. 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2, they will give you 3.5. 7 integral operator by 2, that will give you only 3 because it will give you round to down. Okay. Minus 7 divided by 2, it will give you minus 4. 15% 4, that will give you remaining value, that is 3, and so on. And 2 raised power 5, it will give you 32. Bitwise operator. Work on bit of integers like and operator, like and operator, or operator, XOR operator, XNOR operator, shift left, shift right. Okay. And operator means 1 only if both bits are 1. They will give you 1 if both bits are 1. Okay. And OR operator give 1 if any bit 1, then it will give you 1. Okay. This one is XOR operator. 1 bit differ. If they have different bit, then it will give you 1. Then negation flips all bits shown as negative in Python due to 2's complement and shift left and shift right. Membership operator, in and out. In will check that whether a specific number, specific text or character is exist in a list, in a tuple, or in a string. Note, it will check that absence in a sequence, mean it should not be in the list. Many examples, suppose 20 in this list, yes, it will give you true. Py in Python, yes, it will give you true. 50 not in 10 and 20 list, true. Okay, these are the members operators. Comparison operators. Comparison operator will compare two values. They will check that if first value is not equal to the second value, if suppose left side value is greater than right side value, if left side value is less than the right side value, this one shows that if left side value greater than or equal to the right side value, and less than equal to shows that if it is the A, mean left side value is less than or equal to the right side value. Results are always in terms of true or false. Result will be Boolean. And widely we will use this if, elif, and else. Logical operator is and. All condition must be true. Okay, or at least one condition is true. In this case, is 9 greater than 10 or 9 equal to 10. 9 is not greater than 10, false, or 9 is equal to true. This is true. In between is or, result will be true. 3 is greater than 1, yes, true, and 2 equal to true, true. Both are conditions are true, then it will give you true. Not reverse, true, truth values not 4 less than true, that is true. Use parentheses to make complex logic clear. Conditional operator we can use if statement run block when condition is true, if L choose between two blocks when you have two conditions like pass and fail, then you can use this condition if else, and if you have chain, mean like grade is A plus, grade is B, grade is C, grade is D. When you have a chain, then you can use if else. Okay. And here example is there, if mark greater than equal to 50, print pass, as print fail. Multiple choice question. What is the value of 7 integral operator 2? 7 integral operator 2 means it will give you 361.5. It will give you to 3 only. Round to down. That is C option. What is the result of 6 and 3? Okay, 6 and 3. Code of 6 is 110. Code of 3 is 011, and in between is and will give you 010. That is the code of 2. Okay, this is the answer of 2. Pi in Python values, yes, it will true. Next, 5 is less than or equal to 5, evaluate to true. Okay, 5 less than equal to 5. Which expression is true? 3 greater than 1? Yes. And 2 equal to? Yes. B. This will be true. Note, 5 greater than 7? Note, 5 greater than 7? Actually 5 greater than 7? No. Due to note, it will be true. And 1 greater than 2? False. Okay. This will not true. 4 less than true? 4 is less than true? False. 1 is greater than true? Yes, or due to or it will return true. Note, true and true result will be true. Due to not, its result will be false. Okay. What is the value of 2 raised power 3? It means that 2 raised power 3 and 3 raised power means 2. We will evaluate first this one. 2, 3 raised power 2 means 9 and 2 raised power 9 means 512. Okay, answer is B. Multiple choice question number 7. If num equal to 7, which branch runs in? If num percentage 2 equal to 0, this will not run, else it will print this, print odd. Because num 7 divided by 2, 3, 6, remainder is 1. But it will check equal to 0. Okay, print odd. If block, else block, both, it will run else block.